हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप ठीक होंगे। मैं आदित्य विक्रम राय फ्रॉम एलकम पब्लिक स्कूल एंड दिस स्कूल सिचुएटेड इन गोलाघाट। In on for last day we have learned subtraction with regrouping, subtraction with two-digit number with two-digit number, and subtraction with one-digit number from two-digit number. On today's topic we will learn subtract across and down. What we learn? Subtract across and down. Today we will learn subtract across and down. Today we will learn subtract across and down. There will be some numbers. Listen, subtract across and down, subtract across and down, subtract across and down to find magic number. Magic number. When you subtract across and down, you will find magic numbers. Why? Listen carefully, everyone. Subtract across and down. Why it is saying that we will find magic number? Magic numbers means, listen carefully. Let's see an example. There is a grade. Grade means there are grade. In this grade there are 3 columns and 3 rows. It's okay. 9 equal grades. And here are 7, 6, 5 and 4. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't disturb your class. Yeah, here we will subtract across and down. So we will subtract everywhere. Subtract across and down. So we will subtract everywhere. As like here we can see that there is 6 and there is 7. We will subtract 6 from 7 because 6 is smaller than 7 and hence we can subtract 6 from 7. So here will be 1. On every side you have to subtract. On every side you have to subtract. As like subtract across. Across means left to right. And subtract down to left. Up and up to down. It's okay. Listen carefully. We will subtract here 4 from 5 because 4 is smaller than 5. So we will subtract 4 from 5. Here will be 1. And now we will subtract down. Down means here we will subtract 5 from 7. There will be 2. And now we will subtract 4 from 6. There will be 2. Now why we have find magic numbers? Subtract across and down to find magic number. Where is magic number? Do you know where is magic number? Listen carefully. When we subtract 1 from 1, there will be 0. And when we subtract 2 from 2, there will be 0. That means when we subtract cross and down, then in both conditions we will find same number. That is our magic number. That is we call it magic numbers. Let's take another example of this question. Listen carefully. There is a grade, and grade means 3 rows and 3 columns in it. It's okay. Grade means equal columns and equal rows. 8, 5. Listen carefully. You have to subtract across and down. It's okay. And find the magic numbers. You will subtract here. You will subtract every side. You will subtract it every side. Subtract across and down to find magic numbers. It's okay. Let's subtract it. We will subtract second row from first row because in first row the larger number, that is 8, and we can subtract 5 from it, but we can't subtract 8 from 5. So we will subtract 5 from 8. There will be 3. What will be here? 3. And when we subtract 2 from 3, because 2 is smaller than 3, so we can easily subtract 2 from 3. Hence there will be 1. It's okay. Now we have to find here numbers, so we will subtract down. We have subtracted across, but now we have subtract down. There is 3 and there is 8. When we subtract 3 from 8, there will be 5. It's okay. And here we will subtract 2 from 5. There will be 3. Now we will find magic numbers. And how we will find magic numbers? Listen carefully. Magic numbers means if you subtract across and down in both condition, here you will find same number. As like here is 1 and here is 3. When you will subtract 1 from 3, here will be 2. It's okay. And here is 3 and here is 5. When you subtract 3 from 5, here is also 2. So 2 is a magic number. It's okay. Let's see another example. Let's see another example. There is a grade. 3 row, 3 column, 9 2 7 1. And now we will subtract it. Subtract across and down. Listen carefully how we will subtract across and down. Listen. There is a grade. Grade means 3 rows and 3 columns. We will subtract it across and down. How we will subtract it? Listen carefully. Here is, you can see that here is 2 and here is 9. 2 is smaller than 9. So we will subtract 2 from 9. Here will be 7. It's okay. And here is 1 and here is 7. We will subtract 1 from 7. There will be 6. It's okay. And we have subtracted across. Now we will subtract down. That means here is 7, here is 9. We will subtract 7 from 9. Here will be 2. And when we subtract 1 from 2, here will be 1. And when we subtract 6 from in here, we have to find magic numbers. As like when we subtract 6 from 7, there will be 1. And as like here will be subtract 1 from 2, here will be 1. In both conditions, there will be 1. So 1 is magic number and you will find a magic numbers. Let's see another example. Listen. Here is a grid and there are 3 columns. There are 3 columns and 3 rows. It's okay. Here is 12. Here is 9. Here is 11 and here is 8. Now we will subtract it. Subtract across and down to find magic numbers. So we will subtract across and down it. We will subtract across and down. That means we will subtract on both sides, across and down. As like here is 9 and here is 12. So we will subtract 9 from 12. What will be? 3. It's okay. And because 12 is greater than 9. Because 12 is greater than 9 and we will subtract 9 from 12, there will be 3. Now we will subtract 8 from 11. 8 from 11, what will be? When we subtract 8 from 11, there will be 3 also. It's okay? And listen, we have subtracted down. Now we will subtract across. That means we will subtract 11 from 12. What will be? 11 from 12, there will be 1. And when you will subtract 8 from 9, here also will be 1. It's okay? And now when we subtract 1 from 1, there will be 0. And when we subtract 3 from 3, there will be also 0. In both conditions, there will be 0 on subtracting across and on subtracting down. In both conditions, there will be 0. It's okay? Let's take another example. There is a grade. And numbers are some greater numbers. There is there is 12, there is 5, and there is 7. You have to subtract across and out. You have to subtract across and out. Now we will subtract it. Listen carefully. 12 and 15. 12 is, we know that 12 is smaller than 15, so we can subtract 12 from 15 easily. Here will be, when we subtract across, here will be 3. It's okay. And here, when we subtract 5 from 7, here will be 2. Any problem? No. When we subtract down it, here we will subtract 7 from 15. Because 7 is smaller than 15 and we can't subtract 15 from 7. It's okay. So 7 from 15, there will be 8. And when we subtract 5 from 12, there will be 7. It's okay. Now we will subtract across and out. In both conditions there will be the same number. It's okay. When we subtract down, 2 minus 3 there will be 1 and 7 minus 8 there will be 1. So in both conditions there will be 1 when you subtract down and when you subtract across. It's okay. Let's take a more example. Here is, we have to subtract across and down. Listen carefully. We have to subtract across and down. On both sides you have to subtract. There is a grade. And here is 9, here is 5, here is 2, here is 1. Let's subtract it. We have to subtract across and subtract down. Firstly, we will subtract across and then we subtract down. When we subtract across, there is 5 and there is 9. In first row, we will subtract second row. As like we will subtract 5 from 9, there will be 4. It's okay. And when we subtract 1 from 2, there will be 1. It's okay. And when we subtract 2 from 9, there will be 7. And when we subtract 1 from 5, there will be 4. In both conditions, when you subtract across and when you subtract down, in both conditions there will be 1 from 4, there will be 3, and 4 from 7, there will be 3. In both conditions there will be 3. You have to do some subtract and across down subtraction and write in your copy and make grade and some proper examples. Thank you. आपसे मैं कल फिर से मिलूंगा और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो होगा हमारा वो होगा स्टोरी सम्स, दैट इज स्टोरी यूजिंग टू सब्ट्रैक्शन. स्टोरी सम्स हमारे जो that there will be story sums, some examples we will take and solve them. It's okay. Thank you.